evening to everybody, my friends. How is everybody doing? A little quick rundown of the market. Last week was NFP week, so we'll check out last week first. Okay, so when not to trade. Monday, first week of the month. You can trade Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday London session. Do not trade New York session on Wednesday. New traders do not trade after London session on Wednesday. If you do not know what you're doing, NFP week is for non-farm payroll, also not for professionals. You leave this up to the professionals so they can get killed. Now, Monday, there was medium impact news and high impact news. 2:30 in the afternoon. Tuesday was only one news at 9:10. President Trump spoke. Then Wednesday we had non-farm employment changes, monetary final service PMI, SMN PMI, high impact, medium impact. Then Thursday was the balls. Look at all this news right here. Manipulate, kill everybody. Medium impact, high impact, high impact, medium. All this news they use for manipulation of the market. Whatever trader is not informed and is trading without a plan, trading out there, gambling, they take them out. Take them out because you're trading blind. You don't know what you're doing. You're trading blind. So if you know they use all this for manipulation of the market, you don't trade it. You leave it. You leave it for them to get killed. For this week, we have no news on Monday. High impact at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, which is a nice day to trade. Wednesday we have until 8:30 CPI, core CPI. You do not want to be in the market at 8:30 when CPI hits. On Thursday we have 3 high impact at 8:30 also. And then Friday we have 3 high impact also. Fridays at 10 a.m., Thursday at 8:30, Wednesday at 8:30, and Tuesday at 10. That means that you can trade after those times. After that, there's no news. Market will go shortly and nicely so you can see it. So this week it's nice to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Why? The beginning of the week, the weekly candle, Monday, accumulation. Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, high or low of the week. And then Friday, the close of the week. So if Monday accumulates, that's the open of the candle. Then it goes down for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then you're looking for an up move on Friday to close the week. So open, low, high, close. Or open, high, low, close. So that's why we don't trade on Mondays, only the first Monday of the month. Let's go to the charts. So the March contract is almost over. Almost over. Okay. So in the weekly, we have taken out a high right here. Took out this high with this. Move here. That's an inefficiency in the market. Okay. That means it took out this high. Right. This fair value gap here, we're looking at it for an inversion. Okay. Why? Because it took out the high with the displacement. This is displacement. Inefficiency in the market. It's an imbalance. Displacement here with a fair value gap took out the high. If it was going to continue going up, it would have accumulated here, gone up. It didn't. It went up, took out the high, came back down, inverted the fair value gap to the downside. It came back right up to fill in this wick here, which is at a premium. Boom. Broke market structure to the downside when it broke this candle here. Now we're bearish. Okay. Now what? If we are bearish, we need to wait for a pullback to where? To reprice to this here, which is the rejection block. Okay. Rejection block here in the weekly. Fair value gap inverted to the downside, plus a bearish fair value gap here, plus a bearish order block here. So if we have all this here, that means that's a lot of resistance for price to continue going up. So we need to wait for a pullback, reprice here, then we can sell here. Stop loss is up here. This is the long trade, okay? It's gonna take a long time. So this is the weekly, okay? It's gonna go down here, boom. That's the weekly. So if you wanna sell this here, whenever it gets here, it can get here next week, 2 weeks from now. You just gotta wait. Be patient and just wait. This is for the long holders, okay? So if we're bearish, now we're looking for what? We're looking for why are we bearish? What is the objective that we have in the bottom of the market? What I can see is this gap right here. This gap right here only went the upside, up move candle. It needs the downside to be balanced. That's one objective. Second objective was this. People think that's an order block. I don't call it an order block. But I don't like it as an order block. But it can hold price there. It can hold price here. So we can have a pullback and then break it to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. So let's go to the daily. The daily, see, we have a fair value gap under the market, which is another objective for price to get there. Okay, daily. What had it done? Remember the double tops I talked about last videos? Took them. Filled in this little imbalance, fair value gap from here to here. Filled it in and broke market shift to the downside here when it broke this candle here. Rebalanced here, and then boom, down. I'm waiting for a pullback to here. And I can sell here, stop loss on top of here, down. Okay? So when we look for price, we look for objectives in the bottom of the market and on top of the market. Okay? Price does things in threes. Always loves three things. Okay? Stops, fair value back, fair value gap. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 things in the bottom that wants to go in and fill in and fix. On top of the market, we have this high here, which is buy stops, and right here, displacement. That's your next teaching. You know the highs and the lows, right? If you know what I've been teaching you about highs and lows, you've been watching my videos. You had this low marked and this high marked right here. Okay. What did market do? It didn't take out the high. Failure swing to this buy side, but it took out this buy side here, and boom, broke down to the downside, breaking market shift to the downside, market structure to the downside. So this is the last old low that I took out, repriced to it, boom, down. Okay. I only see this inefficiency here with a fair value gap. This is your breaker. Low, high, low, took out the lows, higher high, took out the highs. When it came down, boom, broke it right there. That's your breaker right there. All these candles here is your breaker. Repriced to there, boom, down. Go to the 4 hour. What are we looking for in the 4 hour? We are looking for break a market shift to go up here, reprice up here, take out all this buy stops, fill in this imbalance here, and then go down. That's what I'm looking for. Why? Because market cannot just go down, 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 down. He has to take out whoever sold here with the displacement. So the stops goes down. It's down, down, down. See, so the stops here. You already took out sell stops. Now it needs to get buy stops. Go up, take out buy stops, and then come back down to get sell stops. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 objectives to the bottom of the market. We're bearish next week also. So this is why you don't trade NFP week. Okay? This is the weekly of NFP. This is the open of the week right here. The gap, opening week gap right here, okay? All right. So during the week, if you're on top of the gap, you're looking for sells. If you're at the bottom of the gap, you're looking for buys, okay? Started on Monday, went up, made the high of the week quickly. High of the week. So what are you doing for the rest of the week? Bearish. Because you already made the high of the week. But because you don't know, because you're new, you're going to be looking for a new high of the week. And that's the high of the week right there. Opening, high. Displacement to the downside. What did it do? Filled in the displacement, down. Displacement, more displacement here. Look at that. Boom, boom, down. This is your next teaching. Look for displacements in the 15 minutes, 1 hour. Has to fill in the displacement before going down. Displacement filled in. Displacement filled in. See? Displacement filled in. So this is your move. This is what you'll be looking for now. Displacements in the market. All down candles. Okay? All up candles. Up candles. That's displacement. You look for up candles and down candles, and you see how price reacts to it and fills them in. So Monday made the high of the week, came back down, boom. Tuesday opened, accumulation, low of the day, high of the day, close of the day. So Tuesday, the trade was here. Took out this low with the displacement here. Inverted it to the upside. Buy here. Stops here to here. That's it. That is it. Wednesday, a lot of people lost their shit. Why? Because if you wake up on any day trading and you look at highs and lows like I've been showing you, okay? This is the start on Wednesday here. Let me run it back. Okay, you come into the market, and it's Wednesday, and you're here. And you see this low and this high. Not touched. This one got tagged. This one did not get tagged. Okay. This is what we're looking for, okay? Tagged, non-tagged. Tagged, tagged, non-tagged. Okay. But price is down here. Look how far it is from up here. See? So what we're looking for, this low. Why? Because to go up here is too far. And we're looking bearish. Looking bearishness because it's already sold up here. Displacement down. Okay? So now, you see this lows haven't been touched and this high hasn't been touched. And you're trading on Wednesday. And you come in. You're gonna buy or you're gonna sell? Question. How do you know if it wants to go up here, take this side out to then go back down, or go down to get this lows out and to go back up? How do you know? You do not know. So if you see this in the middle of the range, you leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't press any buttons. We're looking for 12 midnight. 12 minutes right here. Okay. Okay. 12 midnight. If you see the price seen inside this range and it keeps a range in between the midnight hour opening time and midnight, consolidation day, it's gonna kill everybody. Don't touch it. Watch. midnight. It's right in between midnight hour, opening hour. And he doesn't want to leave that. If he doesn't want to leave that, that means it's going to be an inside day. It's going to be taking sell stops and taking buy stops out. It's going to be killing everybody. So you don't want to be trading on an inside day because you don't know what it wants to do. You don't know nothing what it wants to do. Now from this low to this low. What do you want to do? Talk to me. Tell me. You don't know. So why are you trading? I see people on Facebook on I lost my account on Wednesday. Was tough. Of course, he was trading inside the range. I didn't lose any money. Why? Because I saw what he was doing. I didn't touch it. Did not touch it. Okay, but this is my trade right here. Look at it. My trade was here on Wednesday. You see that? Inverted. Boom, buy. To where? To midnight. To midnight. That's it. That's it. On Tuesday, on Tuesday. That's it. That was my trade there. That's it. That's it. Look, it's already 6 a.m. The traders that are trading London session are fucked. They ain't doing shit. Doing a damn thing. It's not moving. This is 10 a.m. What's this? Open, low of the day, right? Where's it going back to? Midnight. Where's midnight? Right here. Why you want to trade that? You don't want to trade that shit. That's right there. You don't want to do this. Look at this shit. Right back to where? To yesterday's fair value gap that inverted it. Tuesday's fair value gap that was inverted came back in there. Boom. Filled it in nicely. Breaker market shift to the upside. Took out the lows. Fair value gap right here. Nope. That's a CB sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Filled it in nicely. Going back. That's it. Back to midnight. That's it. So Wednesday, you're a gambler if you were in this motherfucker. You are a fucking gambler. You didn't want to be here on Wednesday. You're a fucking gambler. Took out the highs. Whoever sold here fucked. Whoever bought here fucked. Whoever sold here fucked. Whoever put the stop loss down, they're all fucking gone. So now what? Now what you gonna do now? Came all the way down here, took out the low. Took out the lows here. 1, 2, 3. Market does things in threes. Took them out. It's gonna make the close of the day, and that's it. Then comes Friday. Check this out. Inside this range. So when we look for inefficiencies in the market, we look for it to get filled in. Filled in. So look for these inefficiencies in the 15 1 hour. That's your next move now. Inefficiencies. Highs, lows, inefficiencies. Okay. Don't trade NFP week. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Remember, control risk, control psychology. Control FOMO, fear of missing out. Control getting out of trades too early, getting into trades too early. You can control all that. Control drawdown, control risk, control psychology. You become a good trader with a plan and discipline. You need discipline and you need a plan to be a profitable trader. If you don't have that, you will never become a profitable trader. So we're going to be working on that. I'll be working on that with you guys after you learn everything I'm going to teach you. With the PDRAs, highs and lows, and all that bull crap. This system, if you allow the market to eat you up, it will eat you up. But if you know how to risk your account, your risk to reward, you'll be good. You want to be trading for the long run. Little hits. No home runs. When you're trying to get home runs, that's when you fail. Gotta get hits. Little hits here, little hits there, little hits here, little hits there, until you become profitable and get your experience in the market. So if you're a new trader that never have touched one button, we've never seen the markets before, don't touch any buttons, don't trade. Just wait. You figure it out. Once you learn everything, you figure out what you want to do in the market, which model you want to trade. You got to figure all that out. It'll come with time, but don't rush it neither. You want to rush this, it's going to take you more time. So let the process get to you. Let it process itself little by little. Start by doing what I'm telling you: low highs and lows, and displacements. Start for right now. Okay. Look for displacements, which is all down candles or all up candles. There's no candles in the middle like this, like red, black. No, that's not displacement. Displacement is this. Okay. And look for it to see the market wants to go back and fill it in. Fill in this displacement here. This displacement here. This is displacement. That's an imbalanced side of the market. It has to balance it out. That's what I'm going to teach you to look for. Or I'm teaching you to look for. Lows and highs, okay? Now, I know I haven't been making a lot of videos. I've been working too many hours, and I come home late, and I can't get up in the morning to trade or to make a video. But I promise you I'm going to be more active. I'll be getting more active soon. You'll be getting more videos from me in the markets, so you can see the markets and learn from the markets, become the markets. We're going to be trading in probabilities and not project where it's going or predict where it's going. Markets don't work like that. You got to become the market. Be the one with it. Control psychology. Control your brain. Become a good trader. Risk management. with a plan. Because the market does not reward the traders that trade blind. It rewards the disciplined and planned trader. You need a plan to be disciplined, and you need to run that plan every single day. Like if you had a 9 to 5 job, you go in at 9, you know what you're doing every day. That's what you need to do here. Same thing every single day. Okay? My plan is taking the lows out or taking the highs out with a fair value gap to be inverted. Once it gets inverted, then I buy or I sell. That's my plan. Look for high times for buyers, and then the 1 hourly for daily trading. That's what I use. Okay, so I wait for it to take the highs, invert the fair value gap down, takes out the highs, fair value gap inverted, see, took out the high with a fair value gap inverted. I'm waiting for it to come up so it can go down to get this lows out here and the highs from Friday. I don't know if we're gonna come up here. Okay. No displacement to the upside right here, but I didn't take out the high. So I don't think we're going up. Let's see, let's check it out. I'll talk to you guys Tuesday. Control psychology, you become a good trader. I'll talk to you guys Tuesday. Have a great evening, great night. Do not trade NFP week. Remember, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And good luck to all the traders out there. Thank you very much. For the 16 subscribers that I have now, I started with 0. I got 16. We're looking for 50 so we can live trade on YouTube. Thank you very much, all. Appreciate you. God bless you all. Good luck to everybody. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much. If you're new, like and subscribe. Thank you.